Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your English instructor and welcome to my English coaching class. Currently we are at unit number 13, Smart Nutrition Choices. Our today's lecture is lecture number 5 and the competency that we are targeting through this lecture is reading and critical thinking. Our today's topic is positive and negative imperatives. Before learning about the positive and negative imperatives, let's have a look at the SLO first. Distinguish between positive and negative imperative language. We have also provided the vertical linkage for you. Before jumping onto the topic, let's do a quick brainstorming session first. Can you identify the difference between the following sentences? Shut the door. Please shut the door. Can you identify which of these is a positive imperative sentence and which of these is the negative imperative sentence? Let's learn about imperatives first. Imperatives. When we communicating with others, we sometimes need to give commands or instructions. In grammar, these are called imperatives. So, in our conversation, we give commands or instructions to other people. Those commands or instructions can either be positive or be negative. Let's learn about them. First, positive imperatives. It is used to give commands or instructions. For example, please clean your room is a positive imperative sentence. The word please makes the sentence more polite, but the main command is to clean the room. Another example is, plan your meals for the week. Buy staples like rice, beans and oats in bulk. So, in all these sentences, you can see these are all the positive imperative sentences because polite language is being used. Now let's learn about negative imperatives. It is used to give commands or instructions that prohibit someone from doing something. For example, do not touch the hot stove is a negative imperative sentence. The command is to not touch the hot stove. Some other examples are, do not just tell people to eat more fruits and vegetables. Avoid buying things you do not need. So, पॉजिटिव इंपेरेटिव सेंटेंसेस में आप कोई ऐसी कमांड देते हैं जो पॉजिटिव वे में दी जाती है और नेगेटिव इंपेरेटिव्स में आप कोई ऐसी कमांड देते हैं जिससे किसी दूसरे शख्स को किसी काम से रोकना मंसूब होता है. Here we have your classroom activity. Identify each sentence, whether it is a positive or negative imperative statement. Number 1 is, please remember to bring your textbooks to the classroom. So, can you identify which imperative sentence this is, either a positive or negative? Since the word please is being used, we know that it is a positive imperative sentence. Now see, stand up and leave the room. Can you identify which imperative sentence is this, positive or negative? The third example is, do not forget to bring your textbooks to the classroom. The fourth example is, be sure to follow the instructions carefully. The fifth is, do not be late for the meeting. So, you can very clearly understand in the last sentence, do not be late for the meeting. A person is being asked to obey or follow a specific instruction. So, this is a negative imperative sentence. Here is your homework. Write down 10 positive and negative imperative sentences in your notebook. Apart from this classroom activity and homework, we have also provided a simulation for your further and comprehensive understanding. The worksheet is also being attached, and all the other resources such as the skill sheet, the lesson plan and the question bank of this lecture are also being attached. Thank you so much, class.